Hi friends, my name is Willie the Wizard. Today I'm here to talk to you about Waste Wizard. Do you ever wonder what items go into the recycling cart or the garbage cart? Well, no worries. Waste Wizard is a search tool that allowed you to type in any keyword and get disposal tips. Let's give this a whirl and see what Waste Wizard says. First, let me show you how to get there. Go to www.margatefl.com/wastewizard. Type the name of the item below to see how to recycle or dispose of it. Let's see if this soda can belongs in the recycling cart or the garbage cart. You'll see that Waste Wizard says soda cans belong to the recycling collection. Waste Wizard also provides tips such as set out time and a reminder that this item must be clean and dry. How neat is that? Remember, visit www.margatefl.com/wastewizard to determine what items go into the recycling cart or the garbage cart.